In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set stop loss in Thinkorswim in 2026, step by step. If you already have an open position and want to protect it with a stop loss, Thinkorswim Web makes that process pretty straightforward. A stop loss is commonly used to help manage downside risk by automatically triggering an exit if the price moves against your position. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to add a stop loss to an existing long position directly from the platform. Start by going to Thinkorswim Web and logging into your account. Once you're inside the platform, head to the Monitor tab, then open Activity and Positions. This is where you can review your current holdings and see any positions that are still open. Next, locate the open position you want to protect with a stop loss. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct symbol and the correct position size, especially if you're managing more than one trade at the same time. Being careful at this stage helps avoid placing an order on the wrong asset. After you've found the position, right-click on it. From the menu that appears, choose Create Closing Order and then select Sell if you're working with a long position. This tells Thinkorswim that you want to create an order to close that trade if your stop price is reached. Once the order entry panel opens, you'll need to adjust the order settings. By default, the order type may be set to Limit, but for this setup, you want to change the order type from Limit to Stop. After that, enter your desired stop price. This is the price level where you want the stop order to trigger. It's important to choose this level carefully based on your own risk tolerance and trade plan. When everything looks correct, click Confirm and Send. This gives you one last chance to review the details before placing the order. Double check the order type, stop price, and share quantity, then click Send to submit it. One important thing to remember is that a stop order becomes a market order once the stop price is reached. That means the final execution price can vary, especially in fast-moving markets. So while a stop loss can be a very useful risk management tool, it does not guarantee an exact exit price. And that's how to set a stop loss in Thinkorswim Web for an existing position. Follow these steps carefully, review your order before sending it, and you'll have a simple way to add protection to your trade.